Here are 3 AI mistakes you might be making and how to fix them. I'm Jordan. I help you figure out AI so you can decide whether or not it's worth your time. And I have a full 62-page free guide on how I approach that myself and with the people I work with. Mistake number 1 is relying on AI to perform tasks that you don't actually know how to do yourself. The easiest example of this is code generation AI tools, but I think that this comes up in a lot of day-to-day tasks or work tasks, particularly as it relates to fact checking anything. If you don't know the information yourself, or you don't know how to figure out whether or not it's true, you should be pretty wary of using any sort of AI tool to get you there. Number 2 is choosing AI tools based on hype instead of your actual needs. Please, please, please do not just start using AI because people are telling you it's cool. Figure out if you actually have a problem first. It's like, I have ADHD, it's like buying a planner. Do I actually need a planner? Probably not. If I buy a million planners, am I going to find the perfect one? I haven't bought a million planners yet, but so far I haven't, and I bought a lot. 3 is actually a little more insidious. It's not knowing how your data is being used or the ethical implications of the models that you're using. So many, many platforms, including platforms like Instagram or TikTok, use the data that you put on here, use things like these videos to train their models. This has climate impacts much more than any query that you put into ChatGPT. And it's also something that, particularly if you are not in the US, you can turn off. If you are in the US, it gets a little more complicated, but I would highly recommend keeping more of an eye on how your data is being used and whether or not a particular tool that you're using is known for has particular ethical considerations that go along with it, or is known for consuming more energy than the average AI tool, because those are things that you might want to consider when it comes to figuring out whether or not AI is for link in bio. If you would like to get a copy, and you can also reach out to chat with me for free for 20 minutes if you maybe want to work together. So see you in the comments.